was just posted. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more 2 deals, price glitches. All right, so let's go ahead and start. So we got the M18 Forge 6 amp hour battery and the M18 dual base supercharger kit 4859 1861. So that is the item number. As you guys do see, you are getting the new dual bay supercharger and the new 6 amp hour battery. Check this out. 199.77. That's a killer deal. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put an affiliate link down below, but I will be. If not, then I'll just put the regular link down below in the description section of the video. They're currently offering a free free, what is it, the shipping. I'll leave you guys beside the link, I'll leave you guys the code that you guys have to put to get the free shipping. So yeah, definitely check it out, guys. That's a really good deal for this. Again, 6 amp hour and the supercharger. That's it for today. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.